Don't get me in it.
Oh, come on, man. What's up, guys? It's Z and Abs at Zab's Project. Welcome back to our channel. So in today's episode, we've got this Nissan Micra k12. It's missing a door handle on the passenger side. We've got that, just need to insert it. So in order to do that, we have to take this front passenger side door card off. So while I hold the camera, Abs is going to demonstrate how to take the door card off. Abs, it's the first step.
Alright, before we do anything else, we need to remove this center part here where you've got the electric window mechanism. So I've already popped up. What you do is you put your screwdriver just about here, slowly.
Screwdriver, if you got the
flat screwdriver, but you should be using the tools, trim tools to remove, but we haven't got any, so we're going to be using a flat screwdriver. You can also put, if you do use a flat screwdriver, you can put like a sponge or a tissue just to support it. But
yeah, the reason why we're not doing that is because this car's already been beaten up quite a lot.
Yeah. So once you do it,
200k, so it's pretty much more or less for demonstration.
Right, so as you move it, there's clips that just hold it down. See these clips here? So just be careful you don't kind of break them. Right, and then what you do, there should be a release button here somewhere. Good, I think that's it. Push it down, it should come off the screwdriver.
Oi,
No, that's clean, Amy, it's alright, sorry. Right, once you've done that, then we pop again. You can use a screwdriver, but you can use those tools. Just force it in.
Use a tool.
And just slide it out, and there you go, it comes up. And again there's clips here. That's what's holding it in, so you don't want to break this. Right, so once you've done that, put that on the side. Right, now we've got Phillips screwdriver there, screw there, sorry, you're going to have to take that screw up, that's holding it down. So,
is that 10mm as well, or just Phillips? I think that's a 10mm as well.
So you could use a 10mm, but let's see if I can get in with this.
Hey, he's done it.
Right, so screw, keep it to the safe side. Now we get, again you need to get the trim tool remover. We're going to use a screwdriver. And what you do is, go underneath the door card. Now all you're going to have left is this pushing kind of plug, so you're just going to pop it basically.
It's clips basically, yeah?
Yeah, so
those plastic clips they have.
Plastic clips, yeah. So there should be like a little notch made here, so I can put my screwdriver right in there.
Yeah, hold on. Battery's on, mate.
So once you've done that, there should be another notch there. So just follow the notches. Then you should just be able to lift it up. And because we removed the wire already, so there you go. That's the door card removed there.
So once you there's no other wires, that's the only electrical plug it's got, yeah?
Yep. Because it's a passenger side, if it's driver side, you'll have two.
Alright. It's not bad. Normally you get quite a lot of electric wires.
Yeah, I think this
disconnect on the door card and whatnot. Quite a lot of screws going around the side and the bottom.
Yeah. So yeah, as Z said, we are going to put the door handle. The reason why we're taking the door card off, and also just for those people who need to know how to remove a door card, who don't know exactly where screws are. So we're just showing this part as well.
Alright, so door card's been removed. Next step is to put the handle in. What's the first step or next step?
So alright, so with the door handle here. Door handle. We've got the key mechanism where the wire sits in here. If you ever battery dies on your key, you pop this up and you can open the key from here. And you can put
so like the Range Rover, that case comes off and key goes in there, the electrodizer, and that's
see this spot here. This, when you push it into the position where the door is, there's a T30 screw which goes into here.
Which is so for example, this was sitting like this, clip in, and then T30 from here. You tighten that up and that holds it secure, yeah?
That's correct, yeah. So see, and also you see this plastic little pivot that goes 360 here. The metal wire that goes for the door mechanism goes into here.
Oh, like the door lock?
Yeah, so when you turn the key, then this obviously
locks and unlocks the car.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. So what's the first step is this door handle.
Yeah, so we pop the door handle in first. So, because there's already plastic mechanism sitting at the back, we haven't touched it. Remember, just make sure
it's this bit here that unlocks the door.
Yeah,
That sits in.
Yeah, so it slides in kind of here, so
Okay.
it's kind of behind it.
Okay, let's see.
Just remember, when you do before you put these black little grooves, they go push them towards the bonnet front end, so it slides in. So this can't move now.
Oh, right.
So we slide this in first, in there. So now, let's get this way.
I'll do it on that side, don't
Push this up.
No. Yep, so it's clipped in.
There we
Alright,
go.
perfect.
Alright, next stage. Again. Right, now see, look, the door's closed. Normally wouldn't open now.
Perfect.
If I do that,
So
next stage is this
that
mechanism.
secures everything basically.
Yeah. So next is the mechanism here. Alright. So we're going to slot the wire in first. I'm going to ask you to give me a hand, so we won't be able to record this part here. And then after we'll show you exactly how it's matching up with the screw inside.
Alright, so that's been put in now. That's how it's looking. The next thing we're going to do is screw it in. So again, that's T30 Torx.
Yeah, T30 Torx, so you go into the screw there. Right, so now
That's secure, yeah?
if I do this, I can't pull this out, it's secured. Door handle's in. Right, next part is the grommet here, the black grommet is just to protect the screw from getting your water inside it. Push it in,
Perfect.
done. Now if I do that, open up.
Lovely.
That's your door handle done. Now we're going to put the door card back in.
Now the door card will go back
Just the
in.
reverse again. So make sure we get this plastic part back in. Okay, so bring the door card.
Just remind you guys again, there is just one screw that's holding the door card. Apart from that, you've got these clips that are going around the door card as expected.
Alright, so before we do that, make sure you get this wire through here. This is for the window control mechanism. Right, in reverse, because we pulled out the last one top, so we push it from the top first. So make sure you line it.
Oh, so you do the top bit first.
Yes, you
So
slide it from the top first.
this slides inside against the window. Once you've done that, you nice sort of line.
Just
clip
make
it
sure
in.
that these clips are lined, so just get them level there they're going in. And just hit it in. So now it's secure. So the next part was the screw here.
Yep, I remember that.
So get the screw in.
Again, I think it is a 10mm as well as a Phillips.
Well, I'm just being a bit lazy, so I'm using one.
So if your Phillips screw head is
Bolted off.
rolled off,
Or rounded off.
10mm, tighten it and tighten it. I personally prefer a 10mm.
So right, on this part here you can do whichever way you want. I'm going to just put the small pieces on. So I'll put this door handle cover back on. That's it, just slides in so it can't come off now. And the last part is now the control for the windows here. Again, make sure you plug it in first. Just remember clips. This goes upwards. Clicked in. So again, it's just clips here. So there you go. That's your door handle.
Door card. Door card done. Door handle done. Door open from outside. Closes. Opens. Closes. Lovely. Alright guys, that's it for the door card and door handle today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out. Stay safe, stay blessed. We'll see you in the next one.